Wind in the forecast. Meteorologist Scott Mudd has his eye on northeast KELOLAND. He joins us now with the reason why.
As we have ups and downs in the temperatures this week, we'll have to watch the wind. With strong wind tomorrow, northeast South Dakota will be monitored, not for any new snow, but for what will happen with the snow that's currently on the ground. This graphic shows snow that's currently on the ground in northeast South Dakota. It's coming in at around 2 to 4 inches for many. And this is our Webster live cam where snow amounts of 7 inches were reported during the month of November. It's that snow on the ground plus the strong wind that will help bring in blowing snow across parts of northeastern South Dakota. That, of course, will reduce the visibilities. Areas in and near Watertown will also be monitored for blowing snow, as the city just received 2 inches of light, fluffy snow earlier this week. That light snow will easily be picked up by our strong winds and blow around. Winds will die down for Thursday, which is good news considering the temperatures will only be in the teens. For KELOLAND weather, I'm meteorologist Scott Mudd.